Tag team matchup sees the father and son team of the Monkey family, Blazer and Grizzy, taking on Mikey Thunder and Nick Melvick. Little Mafia action. Mafia in the house. Mikey Thunder offering the hand to Blazer. Blazer spins him around and takes him to a knee, and the high kick from Mikey Thunder. The feet being too much early on for the senior member of the Monkey family, Blazer. Mikey Thunder sends Blazer's face repeatedly into the top turnbuckle. Blazer just continuing it. Blazer goes crashing to the canvas. Tag to Nick Melvick. Tag to Grizzy. Blazer still in the ring, but the legal competitor in this matchup is Grizzy. Nick Melvick and Grizzy. They engage the lockup. The side headlock from Grizzy takes over Melvick. Head scissors applied. Takes him over again. Melvick, oh no, the head scissors applied by Grizzy. Kicks out of it. Flips over. Melvick ducks. Jumps up, the head scissors to Grizzy. Grizzy charges in, catches Melvick charges in, catches Grizzy. Follow up with the chop of authority. Children in attendance, do not, these are trained professionals. Do not try this at home or at school tomorrow. The double knees from Melvick. Covers Grizzy, only gets a 2 count. Melvick getting the crowd behind him. Nope. Hits the ropes, gets caught by Blazer. Gives Grizzy the opening for the disaster kick. Covers. Can't get that much out of it, however. Grizzy applying the pressure. But how about that cheap shot on the apron from Blazer? Now a little gyrating towards the direction of Mikey Thunder. Again, can only get a 1 count on Melvick. Blazer tagged in. Connects with Melvick. Blazer not going to be as fast, not as athletic as Nick Melvick, but oh no, Melvick brings Blazer into the corner. Blazer just... Oh no, it left him. No, he took the shot. I was gonna say Blazer just looking confused with the attempt, now showing Melvick how it's done. Lifts him up. Michinoku from Blazer. Count from the referee, only a 2 count. Grizzy gets the tag in from Papa. Monkey family controlling several minutes of this matchup. The knee from Grizzy. Blazer back in. Blazer overhead release on Melvick. Covers. No. Grizzy wants to do a bit more. Clothesline from Grizzy takes down Melvick. Looking in the direction of Thunder. Grizzy baiting Thunder into the ring. Fakes the tag. Blazer choking Melvick over the bottom rope. Very underhanded tag team wrestling from the Monkey family as Blazer continues to choke Nick Melvick. Melvick suplex with authority from Grizzy. Blazer tagged back in. Mikey Thunder just forced to stay on the apron. Blazer able to drop Melvick. But the Monkey family just completely showing no regard whatsoever to Nick Melvick. Blazer trying, Monkey Thunder tries to get back into the ring and stopped by the referee. Allowing more double teaming from the Monkey family. Both members of the Monkey family in the ring. Kick from Grizzy. Blazer drops down after that was interesting. Blazer tags in Grizzy. Mikey Thunder still being kept on the apron. Melvick powered up. Able to counter into a suplex maneuver of his own. Referee with the count. Blazer tagged. Mikey Thunder finally tagged back in. Takes down Grizzy. Takes down Blazer. Spine buster from Thunder. Mikey Thunder did a one-man wrecking crew on the Monkey family. Super kick to Blazer, causes the DDT to Grizzy. Covers, only gets two. Mikey Thunder tagging Nick Melvick back in. Oh no, Blazer moves out of the way. Thunder connects with Melvick. Blazer lifting him up, and Grizzy comes flying up, and they slam Melvick to the canvas. The cover. Melvick able to survive. To the surprise of Blazer and Grizzy, Melvick kicked in the face by his own tag team partner. The follow-up double team maneuver from the Monkey family. They're going to put things away again. Flying stomp, the back suplex from Blazer. But again, Melvick able to, I don't know where Melvick is finding this, but keeping his team alive in this matchup. Mikey Thunder, the super kick to Blazer. Grizzy sent to the outside. The kicks, the double cover. Side sealed and delivered for Nick Melvick and Mikey Thunder over Grizzy and Blazer. Your winners, Mikey Thunder and Nick Melvick, the Mafia du North.